Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is Will. Today I'm going to attempt to use Fusion 360 to finish up my little display shelves that I've got set up on Amazon, and probably will have to use Chat GPT to get that done. So stick around for a 65-year-old man using OpenAI on Fusion 360. What can go wrong? Well, thank goodness for OpenAI. It saved me a lot of problems, mainly because I was going to wind up sitting here for 2 or 3 hours trying to get this little slot for an LED that I want in the front of this thing put in it. But when I sent this file to myself today from work, and oh, by the way, thank you, Brandon, for the help today, man. Wow. Uh, but when I sent that to myself, I sent it to myself in a mesh. So now I got to go back to the office and send it back to myself in a solid form. Because apparently I can't do any type of extruding or anything like that when I send a mesh. And I couldn't get it to save my life to get it back into a solid. And if you know how to do that, would you kind of comment down below? Because even the AI couldn't do it. It kept running me around in circles. But anyway, I'm going to print it anyway. I don't care. Just we did the slots at work today. Thanks, Brandon. And yeah, we'll just see if they fit, and then we'll worry about the LED slot later. So let's send it to the printer. I'm starting to get a hold of the editing. A little fast forward don't hurt anybody. All right. Wish my printer printed that fast. That'd be awesome. So let's take a look. Just a little shelf, nothing special. But I'm trying to get a little LED slot right there that matches this. It would only be like one diode. It's not much to it. But then this is going to snap onto the front of this. Let's see. I hope. Oop. Either it's too tight or it's not right. Aw. Of course. No, it's going to be, the slots are still too big. Oh yeah, that ain't going to work. Well, maybe it will. Maybe I'm not trying hard enough. Let's try it again. So these little tabs here, you've got to go into those little holes there. And I don't know, it kind of fit, but man, if you send this out to a customer, he's going to be pissed. They're freaking with it for a freaking day. Yeah. I guess I got to go back to the drawing board. So, but that's, you know what? I say it's a failure, but it's not. It's, just, it's a teaching experience. Let's put it that way. I mean, ain't got much else the way to put it. But we'll go back tomorrow and we'll make it a little bigger, hopefully. Because, I mean, it can be glued together, and it needs to be easy to get together and take apart. Well, not take apart, but once it's together. But, yeah, it ain't gonna fit. That sucks. Well, thanks for sticking around. Maybe I'll figure it out tomorrow. But until then, I'll try to figure out some better content for you, because if you stuck this far, you deserve brownie points. Really. But anyway, my name is Will, Blue Ridge 3D Printing. Hit me with a little like. If you want to see me keep screwing up, hit the subscribe button, because that's about the only way to keep up with it, because I do it every day. I screw up every day. But I guess we all do. Anyway, thanks, YouTube.